Then you just press this one time.
This thing is awesome. I love this.
It is a blender, but it's wireless. It is battery operated, and it's so cool. So I've been taking this to work with me and just making myself a smoothie or a shake.
You don't know what to get someone for Christmas? Get them a BlendJet. They'll be happy. Believe me, they'll be happy.
You charge it via USB-C. Let's push the button and see what happens. That's pretty hard to beat. As I pour it, you can see it did a beautiful job.
Honestly, I'm pretty impressed because it's very well blended.
It's easy to use, it's easy to clean. You get about 16 ounces, which is pretty much enough for anybody.
I'm gonna get some other colors as well. They have 16 colors to choose from, you guys. Very easy to clean. Only thing you need is soap and water, and you're done, and it cleans itself. You press the button, 20 seconds, it's done.
I'm super impressed with it. I think BlendJet is doing an amazing job.
BlendJet, good job on BlendJet number 2.